Namaste everyone. Today we will see about the flax seeds. Flax seeds, how we should use and what are the flax seeds uses and in which form we should use to get weight loss. Because flax seeds are not only used for weight loss, it can be used in weight gain, it can be used in constipation, or it can be used in maintaining health, everything. A single diet or a single regimen will be used in many forms, but we will not be having idea about it, so we will use however we want and we will not get the results. If we are using for weight loss and if we use the recipe of weight gain, obviously we will not get weight loss, right? So today we will see how we should use the different ways of using flax seeds in our diet. Usually, commonly we will get three forms of flax seeds in our grocery shops, right? We will get in whole seeds form, we will get in grounded form, and even we will get the oil form of flax seeds, right? In these three, which one to choose? Usually, preferably choose whole seeds because whole seeds are good and have longer lifespan. If you want in grounded form, in powder form, then choose whole seeds and you can roast and you can grind it and you can keep in an airtight container if you want. So always preferably choose whole seeds of flax seeds. And another point to add is always avoid the roasted and salted flax seeds to eat, because if you have in a form of roasted and salted flax seeds as a snacks, always you will be eating, as it have high source of calories and proteins. Instead of losing weight, you will gain weight if you have a flax seeds as a snacks. These flax seeds have very low smoking point. Because of this reason, always avoid flax seeds oil in cooking. It should not be used for cooking or frying. Always the flax seeds oil can be used as a decorative purpose to your salads. The common mistake people will do while having snack seeds is having a spoon of flax seeds like that only and drinking a water. It's a very wrong method. I don't know from where this tip got to a people, because as these flax seeds are very small and hard, if you take it directly, it will make our digestion power very hard. So you'll get constipation or any digestive problem. So always dry roast the flax seeds, make in a powder form, then you can have. It is the best method and correct method, but don't have the direct flax seeds in a spoon and drink water, because another point is this outer skin, whatever in a flax seeds is there, it contains the phytic acid, which is anti-nutritious. This prevents the absorption of nutrition in our gut. So indirectly you are disturbing your health by direct flax seeds with water. So next I explain some 4 recipes which you can have flax seeds in different forms. First recipe is soak a tablespoon of flax seeds in a cup of water for few hours, and because by soaking these flax seeds will become soft so that you can chew it and have. You can have this 1 tablespoon of flax seeds at bedtime. It is best, it will give best result for constipation. If you won't have time or if you forgot to soak flax seeds, then take a tablespoon of flax seeds and you can boil it for 2 minutes. After cooling, you can have it at the bedtime for constipation. Second recipe is dry roast these flax seeds and keep in airtight container. This dry roasted flax seeds you can use in other recipes or in other diet like smoothies, oatmeals, or in yogurt. In this form, 1 tablespoon of grinded flax seeds you can use as a diet. Third recipe is you can make this flax seeds sprouted. How we will make the other grain sprouts? Like that, you can make of flax seeds and you can use in your daily routine diet as a snacks sprouts, or you can add in the other diets on your routine basis. And last, fourth recipe, which is very important for weight loss, that is take a tablespoon of grounded flax seeds, add in cup of warm water. You can add lemon for taste and have in between the large meal so that your stomach will feel full and you will not be hungry repeatedly, and also it will give very good result in weight loss. So these are the four recipes in which different way you can use the flax seeds and the knowledge about the flax seeds. So now you came to know in which form if you use flax seeds what you will get uses, but the people will not be having idea that we have different forms of ways to use flax seeds, and they will choose any one of them they will use, and they will say they are not getting results. So any diet or any recipe or any fruit, vegetables, anything maybe, it have different ways to use in different conditions, like it may be weight gain, it may be weight loss, or any other diseases. So choose wisely and have correct knowledge how to use for which condition, then you will get a good result. So hope this video is very helpful for you all, that how to use flax seeds in which condition. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and relatives. This is Dr. Meenakshi signing off. Thank you.